Dear friends, in today's video I will tell you about Metrosil testing or CTPU, CT protection unit testing. So this is the Metrosil. I will tell you step by step how to do the Metrosil. So for the testing of Metrosil we will use CPC 100 test kit. Going to the functions of the CPC 100, we will use the CT saturation or knee point function, CT excitation or knee point function in the CPC 100 and put the values of current, which is I am putting here 0.6 ampere, and for the voltage 250 volts. You can check your Metrosil catalog and put according to your Metrosil. So I will use this 2 kV AC output function and connect to the Metrosil 2 probes by removing the wires from the Metrosil, and then I will start CPC 100 for the testing of Metrosil. So it will apply the voltages step by step and create a proper curve for the Metrosil behavior, and it will give us the knee point for this Metrosil. So it will apply voltages. Now you can see here it is up to 150 volts. It will apply the voltages and generate the complete graph after the voltage. So it applied 250 volts, and now it will plot the excitation knee point of the Metrosil. So this is the testing for the Metrosil. Now after it will generate the curve, I will show you the results of the Metrosil. What is the knee point for this Metrosil, after how many voltages it will start conducting. So Metrosil is basically the CT protection, used for the CT protection. It will generate curve like this. So these are the results. You can see V knee voltage 184 volts and 18 milliamperes. So simply you can insert your USB and save the reports in your laptop. If you know how to save the report in PDF, if you don't know, you can ask me in the comment. So simply just save the report. It will save the report in the other format for the PDF. If you don't know, you can ask me how to save the report. So this is very simple way to test the Metrosil, or sometime it is known as CT protection unit, CTPU. Metrosil is basically the part of the CTPU. In my next video I will tell you about the bus bar protection discrimination zone and check zone. What are the philosophy behind the check zone and discrimination zone. So keep watching Electrical in Industry. Thanks for watching.